Antibiotics have changed the world and saved millions of lives, but there's a problem. Bugs are becoming resistant to antimicrobial drugs, including antibiotics, meaning that infections that are currently no big deal could soon become a big deal again. The good news is that antibiotic resistance is preventable. Scientists around the world are on the case, and all of us can help. One of the ways that bacteria become resistant to antibiotics is through mutation. Bacteria replicate really fast, so it doesn't take all that long for a mutation to pop up that somehow helps the bacteria to protect itself. Mutant bacteria could be shaped or composed just a tiny bit differently so that the drugs can't interact. Or it might produce some sort of enzyme that counteracts or destroys the antibiotic. Whatever that helpful mutation is, once it happens, the bacteria could eventually use it to develop resistance to drugs. And the more antibiotics we use, the more chance there is for bacteria to evolve this sort of mutation. This isn't just a theoretical threat, it's actually happening. We're already struggling to treat antibiotic-resistant superbugs, and some bacteria now seem to be immune to all antibiotics. So what can we do? Well, UK research organisations are working together to fund all sorts of scientific studies in this field, from exploring bacteria's tiny molecular defence mechanisms to testing potential new therapies. Scientists are at the forefront of efforts to combat the problem. But individual people can also help by only taking antibiotics when they're actually necessary. These drugs only work on bacterial infections, not viruses like colds and flu. If we do take antibiotics for a virus, it doesn't help anyone except the bugs. Also, vaccinations can prevent some infections from occurring in the first place. No infection, no need for antibiotics. Basically, antibiotics get less effective the more we use them. We should absolutely take them when required, but not otherwise. Antibiotic resistance is one of the biggest threats facing humanity today, but we're not powerless. Together, we can all help resist resistance. Thanks for watching.